Hey guys, welcome to this wonderful and fascinating beauty here. And the Dead Sea, we are at the Engedi side. And look, this is awesome. This is massive. This is incredibly beautiful. And this is lovely. Wow. Wow guys, wow. This is really beautiful. Beautiful and lovely place, guys. Nice. See, here in Engedi. Here. Look. And this is the haba.